Today I'm gonna do veg fried rice. Now I'm gonna make veg fried rice. I'm gonna put 2 small spoons of oil. One. Okay, 2. Now oil is hot, so I'm gonna add all the veggies. And now I'm gonna mix it. And now I'm going to add 1 spoon of salt. Now I'm gonna mix it again. Oh, I put salt so they cook faster. I added bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some carrot, and some celery for the vegetables. See? Now I'm gonna add a little bit sugar. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of adobo. Ow! I think I didn't burn myself. Now I'm gonna add soy sauce. It makes the color and the taste. A little bit more. There. Now it's time for all the mixing. Now I'm gonna add some peppers. And mixing time. Now I'm gonna add rice. Now, finally, I'm gonna add this spring onion. Man! Now, this is my yummy fried rice, veg fried rice. Thank you for watching our video. And here,